Now we're going to test all the connectors of the bike. So you're going to remove the blackness by using your cutter, and then you'll find out all your connectors. Each connector has its own color. Make sure every time you undo a connector, you put it back together by aligning the arrows on it. So by checking all the connectors, we make sure they're all together, and then all the components are working onto the bike. Now we're gonna go at the motor connector, undo the tie wrap, undo the connector, and then align it back together. We are finished with the connector check.